Yeah, good evening, guys. Are you able to see my screen? Hello.
Hello. Good
Yeah.
evening, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good evening. Previously, we have discussed about SDLC models. How many models is there?
Seven
We-
models.
Two types of models. What are those two types of models? Sequential model, and the second one is the incremental model. Coming to the sequential model, it is divided into two types. One is waterfall, and second one is the V model. Coming to the incremental model, how many types is there? We have 5 types of models. What are those? RAD model, spiral model, prototype model, iterative
Can't see
model.
the screen, sir.
Sorry,
Unable to see the screen. Only the
everyone is
photos
facing
of
same
the.
issue.
Yes, sir.
Can't able to see my screen. Huh? Let me stop and share again. Now,
Yes, sir.
now are able to see, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Coming to incremental model, we have 5 types of models. What are those? RAD model, prototype model, spiral model, iterative model, and the agile model. And the most popular model is agile model. Okay, clear? Those things we have discussed on Friday. Okay, clear? Today we'll discuss about software testing methods and the levels. Software testing methods and levels of software testing. Okay, here coming to software testing methods. How many methods is there, guys? Here we are having 2 types of methods. What are those? One is static testing and second one is the dynamic testing. Okay, how many methods here it is divided? It is divided into 2 types. One is static testing and second one is the dynamic testing. Okay. Here software testing is a combination of how many types? It is a combination of 2 types. That is static and the second one is the dynamic. Anyone remember, guys, these words previously we have discussed? Any idea?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Verification and
Validation. Quality assurance. These
Yeah. Verification is also known as static
Static
testing,
testing.
and dynamic testing is nothing but validation.
Validation.
Clear?
Yes.
We'll discuss one by one. First one is static testing. Already you know the definition, but anyhow I will repeat. It is a process of which one? Verifying. Yes or no? Here we are going to verify. We are developing the project is right or not. Developing the project is right or not is called as static testing. Another name for static testing is nothing but verification. Okay. What is dynamic testing? It is a process of verifying developed project is right or not. It's called as dynamic testing. Okay. Coming to static testing, how you are going to verify? We are going to verify with the help of what are those things? We have to verify with the help of reviews and the walkthrough. Second, this static testing will be carried out by what are those things? Carried out by with the help of what are those things? Reviews and walkthroughs. Reviews and walkthroughs. Okay. What are the reviews? What is meant by reviews and what are the different types of reviews available? What is a review? Examining the project related work. Okay. మనం ఏమన్నా ప్రాజెక్ట్ రిలేటెడ్ వర్క్ ని రివ్యూ చేసేదాన్ని రివ్యూస్ అంటారు. What are the different types of reviews are available? Manager review, technical review, code review, formal review, and informal review. How many types is there? We are having 5 types. One is management review. Second one is the technical review. Third one is the code review. Fourth one is the formal review. And fifth one is the informal review. How many types is there, guys?
5.
5. Okay. First we'll go for the reviews. Okay. What is the review? Review is nothing but examining the project related work. Related work is called as reviews. Okay. Coming to reviews, how many types is there? 5
Types.
reviews. What are the types of reviews? One is
Manager review.
management review.
Technical review.
Second one is technical
Technical
review.
review.
Code review.
Code review.
Formal review.
Formal review, and
Informal.
fifth one is informal review. Okay. Here software testing methods is divided into 2 types. One is static testing and second one is the dynamic testing. Coming to static testing is nothing but a verification. Verification is nothing but before developing the project to verify the application, that is called as static testing. Here it is carried out with the help of 2 types. So what are those 2 types? One is reviews and the second one is the walkthroughs. Reviews is nothing but examining the project related work is known as review. Coming to how many types of reviews is there? We are having 5 types of review. Management review, technical review, code review, formal and informal review. We have 5 types. What is a management review? Who is going to conduct this type of reviews, guys? Who will conduct this kind of reviews?
Project manager.
As a high level manager, high level management team, like business analyst, project managers, like that of persons, he will monitor the status. Yes or no? Coming to the technical review, who is going to take care of technical review? Designing people. Yes or no? Coming to the code review, who is going to take care of code review?
Developer.
Coming to the formal review, who is going to take care of this kind of review?
Tester.
Yes, testers. And with the help of with the help of plan and documentation. Okay, with the help of plan and documentation, we are going to conduct review. That is called as formal review. Coming to the informal review means without following any documentation, conducting reviews is known as informal review. Clear? We'll see one by one. What is management review? This review is conducted by this review is conducted by top
Business
level,
analyst.
top level manager, to decide top level management to monitor the project status. Here top level management means who are the people comes under. One is business analyst will come. I am simply writing BA. BA stands for business analyst. Okay. PM stands for project manager, not our Narendra Modi. Okay. Clear. PM stands for project manager. Okay. Who is going to conduct, guys? business analyst, and the project manager going to conduct this kind of review. Coming to technical review. Who is going to conduct this kind of reviews? Developers, design team. Okay. This review is conducted by technical people. Technical people to decide best approach of which part? Best approach of designing. Yes or no? Designing documents. What are the different types of designing documents we are having? Can anyone remember?
High level design, low level design.
Perfect. Okay, we are having two types of designs. One is high level design and second one is the low level design. I am using shortcut. HLD stands for high level design and LLD stands for low level design. Understanding, right?
Yes, sir.
Coming to the code review. Who is going to take care of code reviews?
Developers.
Yeah. Developers are the programmers. Okay. This review is conducted by programmers or a developers. What they will do to decide what they will decide to decide best approach of what best approach of coding. Okay. Here only design what it will take care. Here coding what it will take care. Okay. Coming to the formal review. Coming to the formal review. What is meant by formal review, guys? This review is
Testers.
yeah, 1 second. This review is carried out by following plan, documentation, and systematic process. We are going to follow the plan, documentation, and systematic process, and then conducting reviews is called as formal review. Conducting reviews is called as formal reviews. Okay, coming to the informal review. What is meant by informal review, guys? Without conducting any documentation, without conducting anything like following plan, they won't be the following plan, any documentation and the process. Okay, conducting reviews is called as informal review. Okay, some companies won't follow any standards. Okay, at that time that is called as informal review. Yes or no? Few companies will follow each and everything. Some companies won't follow. Okay, that is called as informal review. Guys, understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this review is carried out without, okay, here without following any plan, documentation, and systematic process. Then conducting reviews is called as informal reviews. Okay, clear. How many types is there? How many types of reviews is there?
Five.
5 types. Management review, code review, technical review, formal review, and informal review. Okay, clear.
Management review, once again, can explain, sir.
Sorry.
Management review.
See, management review is nothing but this review is conducted by the top level people. Okay, who is the top level people? Business analyst, project manager, and system analyst. Like the top people will come. Clear. With the help of these people, he will monitor each and everything. Okay, this technical review will be monitored by who? Business analyst. Yes or no? Project manager can monitor. System analyst can monitor. Yes or no? Your work is will be monitored by who? Top level managers. Your project manager is going to take care of your work. Yes or no? That is called as management reviews. Okay,
Understood. Sir. Understood.
clear, right? Suppose if you are
Yeah,
working
it's clear.
as a test engineer, okay, suppose 10 people is there, okay, in as a test engineer there is a 10 peoples, okay, suppose in this there is a reviews in any phase, okay, I will do, this is also a one of the interview question, reviews in any phase, each and every phase. Suppose some large size applications is there, large size companies is there, there will be only one project manager. Right, different project managers is there and multiple project managers will be, yes or no, guys, understanding? Hello,
Yes, sir.
okay, different project managers will be and different business analysts will be, okay, reviews in any phase, okay, like self review, peer review, lead review, manager review and client review. How many types is there here? Suppose you are working as a test engineer in your project, okay, but in your team here it is having 10 people, okay, suppose you are working as a test engineer but above you there is a 10 people. Who are those people? Self review is nothing but by personal, you can identify yourself, okay. Coming to the peer review, peer is nothing but another person conducting by colleagues, okay, which work you have done, that is correct or not, that is called as peer review. Coming to the lead review, he will, which is conducting by lead. Coming to the manager, this all things will be reviewed by manager, this all things will be reviewed by self, peer, lead and manager review will be conducted by client, ఓకే. ఈ సెల్ఫ్ రివ్యూ అంటే ఏంది, సేమ్ పర్సన్, ఓకే, మీరు ఏమైతే వర్క్ చేస్తారో సేమ్ పర్సన్ రివ్యూ చేసుకుంటారు మనం చేసింది కరెక్టా కాదా అని. పీర్ రివ్యూ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ కండక్టెడ్ బై అవర్ కోలీగ్. సపోజ్ మీరు ఒక 10 పీపుల్ ఉన్నారు మీ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ లో, ఓకే, మనం తప్పు చేసామా లేదా కండక్ట్ చేసేదాన్ని పీర్ రివ్యూ అంటారు. ఎవరు కండక్ట్ చేస్తారు? మన కోలీగ్స్, ఓకే. లీడ్ రివ్యూ అంటే ఏంది? కండక్టెడ్ బై లీడ్, ఓకే, టీమ్ లీడ్ ఆర్ లీడ్, ఓకే. అంటే ఈ లీడ్ కింద ఎవరెవరు ఉంటారండి? సమ్ పీపుల్ ఉంటారు. ఆ 10 పీపుల్ చెప్పాను కదా, ఆ 10 పీపుల్ ఫర్ హూమ్ హ్యావ్ టు రిపోర్ట్, ఫర్ లీడ్ హ్యావ్ టు రిపోర్ట్. లీడ్ ఎవరికి రిపోర్ట్ చేయాలండి? మేనేజర్ కి రిపోర్ట్ చేయాలి. దిస్ ఈస్ కండక్టెడ్ బై మేనేజర్, ఓకే. లీడ్ కానీ తప్పు చేస్తే ఎవరు చేయాలి? మేనేజర్ చేయాలి, ఓకే. కండక్టెడ్ బై మేనేజర్. ఈ మేనేజర్ ఏం చేస్తాడు? క్లయింట్కి వెళ్ళి we have completed our project, okay, done by current project, okay, done by current project. ఇవన్నీ రివ్యూస్ అనేది ఎవరికి ఇస్తారండి? క్లయింట్కి ఇస్తారు. క్లియర్? అర్థమైందా అండి? క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, both the formal and informal review will be done by the tester only.
That we cannot do, okay. Developers also can do by following plan and documentation. He also
Okay.
will prepare plan and documentation. He also can follow the process. Why? Because based upon the client requirement he have to follow, okay. Both developers and the testers have to follow, okay, this formal and informal review. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Coming to what is the another one? Reviews is completed. What is the next one?
Walkthrough.
Walkthrough. Coming to second one is walkthrough, okay. Here what we are going to do, here a step by step presentation, okay. Who will give this presentation? Who will give this presentation? One of the people. That people is nothing but domain expert who has a much knowledge on that application. He will give. Okay, who has a much knowledge as a project manager? He has a much knowledge. Yes or no? Guys, understanding?
Sir.
What is walkthrough? Walkthrough is nothing but a step-by-step presentation. A step-by-step presentation conducted by the domain expert. Okay, that is called as walkthroughs. A step-by-step presentation conducted by whom? Conducted by whom? Domain expert. Okay, he will give the presentation. Okay, which is conducted by domain expert. Evara sir and domain expert is sir. Clear? This is comes under static testing. Static testing is divided into two types. One is reviews and second one is the walkthroughs. How many
Okay.
reviews is there? We are having 5 types of
5 reviews.
reviews. Management review, technical review, code review, formal
Formal,
and informal
informal.
review. Okay, and second one is the walkthroughs. What is meant by walkthrough? A step-by-step presentation which is conducted by the domain expert. Okay. Clear. Now, what is the second phase? Dynamic testing. Under dynamic testing, here how many types here it is divided? Can anyone? What is meant by dynamic testing? It is a process of validating developed project. Developed project is right or not? Project is right or not is called as dynamic testing. What is the another name for dynamic testing?
Validation.
Validation.
Okay, another name for dynamic testing is validation. It will be carried out by what are the things? It will be carried out by. Can anyone? White box testing,
Black box.
testing, and third one is gray box testing. How many types it is divided?
3.
3 types. What are those? White box, black box, and the
Gray
gray box.
box.
Coming to the white box, it is divided into how many types? 2 types. One is unit level testing, and second one is the integration level testing. Coming to the black box, how many types it is divided? It is divided into 2 types.
2 types.
One is system level testing, and second one is user acceptance testing. Clear? Coming to gray box. Gray box is nothing but it is a combination of white box testing and black box testing is called as gray box testing. Clear? What is meant by white box testing? It is divided into 2 types. One is unit and integration. Who will conduct this type of testing? Developers will conduct. Developers will take care of unit level testing and the integration level testing. Coming to the black box testing, who is going to take care?
Tester.
As a tester is going to take care. Why means what are the things he have developed? The entire system we have to perform. That is called as system level testing.
Black.
What is meant by user acceptance testing? Before deploying into the production, we have to conduct the testing. That is called as user acceptance testing. Coming to the gray box testing is nothing but combination of 4 types of testing is called as gray box testing. Clear? We'll see one by one. Guys, understanding? అర్థమవుతుందండి?
Yes.
What is white box testing? After completion of coding to confirm the correctness of code. To confirm the correctness of code, which is conducted by who? is conducted by
Unit testing. Develop.
conducted by
Develop.
programmer or developer. Called as white box testing. అంటే ఏంటంటే వన్స్ ఆ డెవలపర్ అన్నది కోడింగ్ అన్నది కంప్లీట్ అయ్యాక he will conduct. Okay, that kind of testing is nothing but white box testing. How many types is there? Here
4 types.
is divided into 2 types. What are those? One is unit level testing and second one is the integration level testing. Okay, in interviews, what are the different types of levels of testing means how? What is your answer? What is the answer? Different types of testing, different levels of testing.
White box.
Unit, integration, system level and user acceptance testing. We have how many levels of testing?
4 level.
4 levels.
4 level.
Okay, that is the answer in the interview. Okay, what is the unit level testing? Can anyone? It is a smallest testable position. Okay, or a smallest code. Okay, a smallest testable position or single unit of testing. Single unit of testing is called as which one? Unit level testing. Clear? Okay, what is meant by unit? I will show in the application how they will conduct. Easy only guys, testing, nothing hard will be. If you learn, it will be very easy. See, suppose this is a one of the smallest position. Are you able to see? New expense report is a small position. Okay, that is called as unit level testing. Integration is nothing but under expenses, how many things is there? Draft, submitted, track, and automated report. This all combination of units is called as
Integrate.
what? Integration level testing. Smallest position is called as unit
Unit
level
level
testing,
testing.
and combination of units is called as integration level testing. Coming to the system level testing is nothing but entire application flow. Okay, we have to check my receipts, my transactions, each and everything. What is the application is having, those all things we have to check. That is called as integration level testing. Clear?
Yes, sir.
See, sorry,
System level test.
Okay. Coming to user acceptance testing. Same thing we have to perform in another server. Another server is nothing but before deploying into production server, there will be one server. What is that server? Pre-pod server. What we call? Pre-pod. Pre-pod and before deploying into production server. Like dummy. Production ki మనం డమ్మీ లాగా ప్రొడక్షన్ లో ఎలా అయితే ఉంటుందో ప్రీ ప్రొడ్ లో గానీ సేమ్ అలానే ఉంటుంది.
Prototype. Prototype laga.
ఓకే, డమ్మీ లాగా. క్లియర్? అర్థమైందండి? లెవెల్స్ ఆఫ్ టెస్టింగ్. ఎవరికైనా అర్థం కాకపోతే అడగండి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as యూనిట్ లెవెల్ టెస్టింగ్. కమింగ్ టు ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ లెవెల్ టెస్టింగ్. వాట్ ఈస్ meant by ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ లెవెల్ టెస్టింగ్?
Combination of the unit level.
Yeah, combination of units. Once unit testing is completed, the developer will integrate. What he will integrate? He will integrate the units. Yes or no? He will integrate the units and checks the application is working or not. Checks the application is working or not is called as integration testing. What is integration testing? Or you can say it is a combination of units. Clear? It's called as integration testing. Okay. Here coming to integration testing. Here coming to integration testing, they will follow different types of approaches. Okay. Here who will follow different types of approaches? Developer have to follow. What are the different types of approaches? Top down approach. Second one is bottom up approach. And third one is hybrid approach. And fourth one is big bang. Big bang approach. How many approaches is there? We are having 4 types of approaches. What are those? Top down approach, bottom up approach, hybrid approach, and the big bang approach. What is meant by top down approach, guys? Can anyone? Suppose take an example as Gmail. Gmail lo login అవుతారు ఫస్ట్. సార్ నో Gmail లో లాగిన్ అవుతారు. కంపోజ్ బటన్ ఉంది, సెండ్ బటన్ ఉంది, లాగౌట్ ఉంది. మనకు మెయిన్ ఏమి ఉండాలి? ఇన్బాక్స్ లేదు. ఓకే, ఎట్ దట్ టైం వాట్ దే విల్ డూ? దే విల్ యూజ్ యాజ్ ఏ స్టబ్ అంటే ఏంటండి? ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ టెంపరీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ టు స్టాప్ ది యూజర్ యాక్షన్స్ ని స్టాప్ చేస్తారు. అవునా కాదండి? అది మేజర్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఇన్బాక్స్ ఈస్ మేజర్. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? Coming to that is called as top down approach. Suppose bottom approach is there. At present login part only not there. Okay, login part only not there. This is very very critical. Yes or no? Without login only, if compose is there, inbox is there, logout is there, send button is there, I am not able to log in. Then how to do? From bottom approach. Okay, it will follow bottom up approach by using driver. Okay, who will follow? With the help of drivers, they will conduct testing. That is called as bottom up approach. What is hybrid approach? It is a combination of top down approach and the bottom up approach is called as hybrid approach. Clear? What is big bang approach? Conducting integration testing after completion of 100% coding. After completion of 100% coding, conducting testing is called as big bang approach. Clear, guys? Understanding what I am saying? See, I will give the definition. What is top down approach? This approach is recommended. When we are going to recommended if there is any incomplete program. There is any incomplete program at bottom level. At bottom level, in this approach, integration testing will be carried. Integration testing will be carried. How it is going to carry, guys? From top to bottom. How it is going to carry? From top to bottom. Then incomplete program at bottom will be replaced by incomplete program at bottom. The bottom will be replaced by which one? Replaced by stub. Here what thing we are using? Stub. Who will use these things? As a developer. Okay, we don't face any interview question, some rare interview question, so that's the reason I am saying. Clear, guys? Understanding? Hello.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే, ఇక్కడ టాప్ డౌన్ అప్రోచ్ లో మనం ఏం యూస్ చేస్తామండి? ఏం రీప్లేస్ చేస్తారు? స్టబ్ తో రీప్లేస్ చేస్తారు. కమింగ్ టు బాటమ్ ఆఫ్ అప్రోచ్ తో ఎలా రీప్లేస్ చేస్తారు? బై యూజింగ్ డ్రైవర్స్. ఓకే, see both definitions is same, except here you are going to replace with stub. Coming to here, you are going to replace with which one? Driver.
Drivers.
This approach is recommended if there is any incomplete program. At which level? Top level.
Top level.
Okay, in this approach, integration testing will be carried from bottom to top. Is going to carry from bottom to top. Then incomplete program at top level. Top level lo replace cheyalante what thing we are going to use? Driver.
Stub drivers.
Okay, bottom level lo replace cheyalante stub. Okay, what is hybrid approach? It is a combination of what? It is a combination of top down and bottom approach. It is a combination of top down and bottom up approaches is called as hybrid approach. Clear? Coming to fourth one. What is the fourth one?
Big Bang.
Big Bang approach. What is Big Bang approach? Can anyone? Conducting integration testing after when 100% complete. Yeah. After conducting integration testing after 100% of coding, after completion 100% completion of coding. Now coding is called as which one? Big Bang approach. See guys, here coming to methods. How many methods is there? Here we are having two types. What are those? One is static testing and second one is the dynamic.
Dynamic testing.
Okay. Coming to the static testing, we are having two types. One is reviews and second one is the
Walkthroughs.
okay, reviews is nothing but is developing the conduct. Which one? Sorry. One second.
Examining project verification.
Verification. Verification is nothing but we are developing the project is right or not. That is called as static testing. Here it is divided into 5 types of reviews. What are those? Management review,
Management review, technical review, code review, formal,
Formal.
informal.
Okay. Coming to walkthrough, a step-by-step presentation which is conducted by the domain expert. That is called
Domain
as
expert.
walkthrough. Okay. Coming to the dynamic testing is also called as validation. Here it is conducted by 3 types. What are those? One is white box testing, black box testing, and gray box.
Gray box
So
testing.
the white box testing is completely involved by the developers. We are not going to involve anything. Okay, who is going to take care of white box testing? Completely it is taken by developers. Coming to
Developers.
the black box testing is completely taken by test engineer.
Testers.
Okay, coming to the gray box testing, both have to work. Okay, developers have to work and testers have to work. In some startup companies, they won't involve developers. Who have to take care? Gray box testing, test engineers, we have to take care. Okay, most probably they will test. Some rare cases we will test. Okay, 99% developers only will test white box testing. Some 1% of chance we have to test. Clear? White box testing. In white box testing, it is divided into two types. One is
Unit
level testing, and second one is the integration level testing. Unit level testing is nothing but smallest piece of code, that is called as unit level testing, or single unit of level testing is called as unit level testing. Coming to the integration level testing, it is a combination of different types of units, that is called as unit level testing. Or one unit level testing is completed, then the developer will integrate the units. Okay, then that is called as integration level testing. Coming to the integration level testing, here the developers will follow different types of approaches. What are the different types of approaches? Top-down approach,
Don't approach,
bottom-up approach,
bottom up
hybrid
approach,
approach, and the big bang approach.
big bang approach.
Clear? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So here, any doubts? Coming to the second one is black box testing. Okay. Here, when we'll conduct black box testing, 100% coding and white box testing is completed. When we'll conduct black box testing, once 100% coding is completed and white box testing is also have to complete to confirm correctness of code. Correctness of code. Okay. Confirm the correctness of code of customer requirement. Who will conduct
Tester.
this? Conducted by test engineer. Called as is called as what? Black
Black
box
box.
testing. Here, what are the different types of testings we are going to conduct?
System
is
test,
System level testing. Second one is user acceptance testing. Okay, the another name is UAT. Okay, shortcut is UAT. Clear? Guys, clear?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
Coming to the system level testing, we have to follow the different types of testing. That is functional and non-functional. System level testing is nothing but functional and the non-functional testers have to be. Who will be the test engineer? Validating both functional and non-functional. Okay, మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే మన రోల్ ఏంది functional. What is meant by non-functional? Like security testers and performance testers. Those persons comes under which testers?
non-functional,
Testers. Okay, మీరు నాన్ ఫంక్షనల్ టెస్టింగ్ కాదు. మీరు ఏ టైప్ ఆఫ్ టెస్టింగ్?
functional,
ఫంక్షనల్ టెస్టింగ్. ఫంక్షనల్ టెస్టింగ్ అంటే జస్ట్ మనం అప్లికేషన్ ని చెక్ చేయటం. ఓకే, కమింగ్ టు ది నాన్ ఫంక్షనల్ టెస్టింగ్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీరు అప్లికేషన్ ని చెక్ చేస్తారు, అది సెక్యూర్ గా ఉందా లేదా చూసేదాన్ని సెక్యూరిటీ టెస్టర్స్ ఉంటారు. క్లియర్? గైస్, అండర్స్టాండింగ్? సపోజ్
yes sir, yeah,
in all people are using phone pay. I think all people know phone pay, Google Pay, those kind of things, Paytm. Any idea? I think all people knows. Okay, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, suppose phone pay is working properly. As a test engineer, you have verified, you have certified the phone pay application is working fine. Okay, that is your job. Okay, UI prescriptive, each and everything, balance inquiry, phone numbers, okay, mobile recharges, each and everything is working. Scanning operation, guys, understanding each and everything is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Balance inquiry, okay, balance check, okay, mobile recharges, LIC policy payment, each and everything is available. Those all things is working fine. Okay, but unfortunately, security issues may come. Yes or no? Some backend we can change. Yes or no? Suppose here my receipts is there. I am just clicking on inspect. Instead of my receipts, what I will do, I will give my name. Okay, you can simply we can use the security. By using security, we can change the amount, right? Instead of 1000, I will give 10,000 rupees. That is a security issue, right? If I give 1000 in front end, in back end I can change to 10,000. If it is not, if it is working means who will lose? One per customer will lose. Yes or no? Those kind of things also have to come. If I click on next button, what it have to be? It have to be my receipts. It won't have to be this thing. అవునా కదండి, మనం నెక్స్ట్ బటన్ క్లిక్ చేసినప్పుడు పేజ్ అనేది రీఫ్రెష్ అవుద్ది. అప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది? 1000 రూపీస్ అనే వస్తుంది. మీరు 10,000 ఇచ్చినా ఏమొస్తుంది? 1000 అనే వస్తుంది. అవునా కదండి? ఇప్పుడు మీరు అమౌంట్ 1000 ఇచ్చారు, క్లిక్ ఆన్ నెక్స్ట్ చేశారు, ప్రొసీడ్ టు పేమెంట్, తర్వాత యూపీఎన్ పిన్ ఎంటర్ చేస్తాడు, యూపీఐ పిన్. అప్పుడు ఏం రావాలి? 1000 అనే రావాలి. అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తారండి, పైన మీరు టాప్ లో అమౌంట్, ఇక్కడ యూపీఐ ఐడి ఉంటుంది. ఎనీవన్ అబ్జర్వ్? అక్కడ 1000 కాకుండా 10,000 వస్తే ఎవరికి లాస్? మీకు లాస్. అవునా కదా? ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ అస్ సెక్యూరిటీ ఇష్యూ. సపోజ్ వాట్ ఈస్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఇష్యూ? సపోజ్ మనము ఫంక్షనల్ లో మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? ఒక యూజర్ తో టెస్ట్ చేస్తాం. అవునా కాదా? గైస్, అండర్స్టాండింగ్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్? ఓకే, in functional testing we are supposed to test only with one user. Supposed to performance testing means we have to test with thousands of users. Yes or no? PhonePe is not for one user, right? Multiple users is working on PhonePe. At the same time also it may work. Yes or no? నేను ఈ టైంలో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను, వేరే యూజర్ ఈ టైంలో వర్క్ చేయకూడదని మనకు రిస్ట్రిక్షన్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? లేదు కదా. ఎంతమంది యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు ఫోన్పే? Lakhs of people. Okay, yes or no? Suppose maybe tomorrow ఇంకొక 10 people or 100 people ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకొని పేమెంట్ చేయొచ్చు. Yes or no? Those all things comes under performance issue, performance things. Clear? You no need to bother this thing. అర్థమవుతుందండి?
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ ఎనీవన్ నోస్ IRCTC?
Yes, sir. IRCTC.
Yeah, for booking the rail ticket. Okay, suppose 11 o'clock ki Tatkal. Okay, at 11 o'clock it will open Tatkal booking. Before 11 normal booking. Normal booking లో తక్కువ మంది యూజర్స్ ఉంటారు. క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
11 o'clock to 11:10 ఒక 10 minutes ఎంతమంది యూజర్స్ వస్తారు? లాట్ ఆఫ్ యూజర్స్. ఎందుకంటే తత్కాల్ బుకింగ్ అన్నది ఆ 10 minutes లోపలే సమ్ ఫ్యూ టికెట్స్ మాత్రమే దేర్ హోల్డ్ చేసి పక్కన పెట్టుంటారు. ఆ ఫ్యూ సెకండ్స్ కోసం లోడ్ అనేది చాలా ఇంప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో?
Yes, sir.
అప్పుడు సర్వర్ అన్నది రెస్పాండ్ కనుక కాకపోతే ఎంత నష్టం వస్తుందండి? అప్పుడు సర్వర్ కానీ వర్క్ కాకపోతే ఎంత నష్టం వస్తుంది? IRCT యాప్ కానీ వర్క్ కాకపోతే లాక్స్ కాదు, కోర్స్ లో నష్టం వస్తుంది. క్లియర్? ఎందుకంటే ఒక ట్రైన్ కాదు, అన్ని ట్రైన్లకి అదే టైం 11 o'clock is the deadline. Clear? Those all things comes under performance testing. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are going to test only functionality of an application. Okay, functionality అంటే ఏంది? క్లయింట్ ఇచ్చిన రిక్వైర్మెంట్ వర్క్ అవుతుందా లేదా. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ ఏంది? రెడ్ బార్డర్ అంటే మ్యాండేటరీ ఫీల్డ్. Okay, without giving any name and clicking on save option, it have to save or it should not save?
Should not say.
Should not save. Those all things we have to test. Who, as a functional tester, we have to test. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Suppose without giving anything, if I click on save means here it should not save, and here warning message also have to come. If here nothing is coming means then that is an issue. What kind of issue? That is a functional issue. Clear? అర్థమవుతుందా అండి?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ నేను ఏదైనా నేమ్ తో సేవ్ చేశాను. ఓకే, నేమ్ we can edit. Okay, here edit option is there. We can edit. Edit is nothing but update. If I click on Taj Hotel 123, if I click on update means it have to update or not?
Yes, sir. It should have.
It have to update. ఇవన్నీ ఎవరి కింద వస్తాయండి? ఫంక్షనల్ టెస్టింగ్ కింద వస్తాయి. See, are you able to see? Game. Each and everything we have to test our functional tester. We have to test these all things.
Testing.
As a functional tester, we have to check each and everything. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Suppose any transactions is there, any payment is there. Suppose see here payments is there. See here payment is there. Instead of 234 in backend they are changing to 2234. How much loss? How much loss?
2000.
2000. Here what is there?
Dollar.
2000 into 70. How much?
14,000.
2000 rupees. 2000 into per dollar. Single dollar equal to how much? 70 rupee. How much it is costing? 1,40,000
40,000.
loss. Yes or no? Yes or no? If finance won't check. Okay. Suppose he has been edited and he has been submitted. Okay. Approver has been approved. Finance user, just what they will do? Finance user have to check and he have to do the payment. Are you able to see?
Yes.
This is the finance user. మీకు ఏమైనా అమౌంట్ రావాలంటే ఎవరి దగ్గర నుంచి వస్తుందండి? ఫినాన్స్ యూజర్ దగ్గర నుంచి రావాలి. ఫినాన్స్ పీపుల్. క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడ కానీ ఎడిట్ కానీ చేస్తే ఎడిట్ కానీ అవుతుంటే అదేం ఇష్యూ? సెక్యూరిటీ ఇష్యూ. అర్థమవుతుందండి? ఓకే, యూ నో నీడ్ టు బాదర్ దోస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఇష్యూస్. సెక్యూరిటీ టెస్టర్ will take care. Clear? Database also, they will be the separate team. Those thing comes under DB tester. Okay, database test చేసేదానికి మనకు separate tester ఉంటారు. Database tester. Clear? Security కి security tester, performance కి performance tester, functional కి functional tester. మనం ఏంటండి? ఫంక్షనల్ టెస్టర్. ఫంక్షనల్ టెస్టింగ్ లో ఏంది ఏం చేస్తాం? మాన్యువల్ టెస్టింగ్ అండ్ ఆటోమేషన్ టెస్టింగ్.
Automation.
విత్ విచ్ వన్? సెలీనియం విత్ జావా.
Job.
క్లియర్? రేపు చెప్తానండి. ఓకే, సిస్టమ్ టెస్టింగ్ అంటే ఏంది, దీంట్లో ఎన్ని టైప్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
ఏమో సార్ అంటారా? అర్థమవుతున్నాయా ఏం చెప్తున్నాను అసలు? గైస్ ట్రై టు స్పీక్ అవుట్. ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నానంటే మీరు డైలీ కాల్స్ మాట్లాడాలి. ఓకే, వన్ థింగ్ రిమెంబర్. ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్పీక్ ది కాల్స్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు అప్డేట్ ది స్టేటస్. క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్ ఆల్సో నో వరీ. ఓకే, అర్థమవుతుందండి? ఐఎమ్ స్టాపింగ్ ది రికార్డింగ్. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ప్లీజ్ ఆస్క్ మీ.